Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'll show you how you can share your localhost APIs to anyone in the internet. Generally, when you build your APIs on your machine, it's accessible to you only, others can't access it. Um, you might want to share it with your colleagues or maybe client, or maybe give your friends a bit of a demo. To do so, you need something like maybe exposing your localhost to the internet, or having some sort of tunnels. So in this video, we'll see like how you can expose your localhost APIs using ngrok. So it's very easy to set up ngrok. You can just go to their website, download it. Maybe I think from yes. So you can download it using their command line tools. Like for Mac OS or Windows, they have their Windows installer, or for Linux, and there are many other installers available. I'll go ahead with Brew. So I'll be using Brew for installing. I have already installed it, so it will throw me an error because I already have it. Once you have installed it, you'll need to add tokens, some auth token for their agent, so that it can make request and tunnel request to your servers. To do so, log into their platform. Once you are on the dashboard, you'll see a window like this. Scroll down, you'll see that this is the command you can use to configure auth tokens. I'll make sure that I delete this token once I release this video. So I'll go ahead, add that token. I think I didn't copy it. Yeah. So once you have added it to the ngrok agent, now what you can do is, I have a basic hello world Flask app running. I created it using cursor, just it returns hello world. So just to show you if it's running, I can show you on, I think it's on 8080. Yeah, so it's already running on my localhost. Now just to tunnel all the requests coming from internet to your localhost or your local machine, what you can do is, there is a simple command. I think they also mention it here as well. You can use ngrok http and then the port and the host you want it to tunnel. You can also specify just the port number, it will assume it on the localhost. So I'll do it http 8080. I think maybe here. So it has started tunneling all the requests from this URL to my localhost. If I show you, it's tunneling all the requests to this localhost. If I show you, if I type this URL here, it will make request to my localhost, and you see the responses are exactly same. To verify whether it's making request to your servers or not, you can just see it here. You see that there is a connection open for 200, as well as you can see it on your machine that there is a request coming for your server. So yeah, I hope you find it useful. It's very easy, and I hope you'll use it for your projects. Thank you.